Everybody fucking jump!
Welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show rolling. Get you guys a little bit of box action. You guys know what these are just by looking at the box. If you follow shoes, hard to stop it once it starts. Nothing else on the box that's special. Let me give you one more look at the front of the box. These old gender neutral shoes, if you would call them such, as they're calling them. We're going to get you some gender neutral box action. I can't say it's a box because it might not want to be a box. Might want to be a bag. These read the Nike Air Force One High 07 SP Mushroom, Mushroom, and Mushroom. Triple Mushroom. It's my first time taking these out. I was afraid they did the Nike Zoom wrap, but it wasn't as bad as the Nike Zooms. It was bad, but not as bad as the Nike Zooms. I don't even know how to get the paper back in there. I think I did it right. Bam! Let's get this light out. One of the most futuristic shoes I've seen in a while. Get you some top action because that's where it matters. You see them straps. Get the straps. Materials on this shoe are completely outstanding. They say it's a sustainable material. Nike needs to make more shoes out of this material. It's so buttery soft. I don't know why people aren't buying. I guess they made so many of these that you could pick up in store. So people don't need to get them online. Let me move this camera back, guys, so you can see the full majesty. There we go. Ooh, it's a big shoe. Move the camera back a little bit more. I just don't feel like zooming out and being lazy, guys. Rock with me. I don't want to fiddle with the camera. Those who own cameras know you start messing with them, all types of stuff happen. But get back to the shoe. If you're an Air Force One fan, I can't see why you should have one of these. If you're into the fashion, like I said, this is the most fashion forward Air Force One I've seen in a long time due to the straps. I can't keep these in stock myself. All my customers want a pair. Billie Eilish, whatever you guys want to pronounce his name as. Everybody who comes in says it's different, so I don't even know how to say it myself. Got some reverse action. That reminds me of the Travis Scott's Sixes. It gives me that feel. Like I said, the materials as I'm touching the shoe are so soft, buttery. And they make many more Air Forces out of this material. Maybe different colors though. They are not a bad shoe at all. Saying many words. I know what you guys think about this shoe. Did you get a pair? Are you trying to get a pair? I had to get this pair to complete the collection of every shoe she made so far. But once I seen this shoe, I said I had to get it. I got a little bit of frays on my shoelaces. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a little fray on top, but that's okay. You guys look what the shoe's gonna look like when it's on your foot. You know what shoes you guys are buying? Let me see what shoes you guys want to see. Because I'm going to have every pair of shoes that's probably going to come out forever from now on. Try to get some clothes out here for you guys as well. Make sure you guys stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!